Welcome, this is how to fix Minecraft launcher error code, Eroded Badlands error. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, what you could try to do is just simply go ahead and go for the search menu down below and just simply go to your settings. Now, here on the settings, just simply go ahead and go for the apps over here. And you should be able to see installed apps at the very top. Now, from here, you can just simply use the search bar over here and search for Minecraft launcher. So here on your Minecraft launcher, select the three dots onto the more options. You will have here advanced options. And now you will have something like this. So just simply scroll down and you should be able to have a repair action button and you should be able to fix the app. Now, if you tried repairing it, what you could try to do next is just simply do a reset on the app, and mostly this fixes the issue and it will automatically work. Now, if it still doesn't, you can just simply go ahead and uninstall it. This will be the last resort, and you can just simply go ahead and go to the official Minecraft and download the Minecraft launcher back again into your PC. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.